Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to level the aquifer pipe to the header. It's important that you level the aquifer pipe to the header because the header is the reference point. It's the starting point. Because everything in the trenches are all level to each other. It's all gravity flow. So they all have to be level to each other so the water gets pushed evenly throughout the whole system. And the header pipe is the reference point. It's the starting point for all the aquifer pipes. So the first thing you want to do is just lay the header pipe in the trench. Do not cut it, do not glue it, do not do anything. Just lay it in the trench and then check to see if it's level. If it's not, go ahead and level that. That will be your starting point. The next thing to do is put a temporary 6-inch extender into the reducer coupler. Now what you're able to do is use the level to see if it's level to the header. Now that you got that level, secure the aquifer pipe with some dirt so that it doesn't move around. Just tuck it in on the sides, but leave the channel open because the next thing we're going to do is do the water level procedure. This is to get the complete aquifer pipe level, but it's going to be level to this front end. This front end should not move. Now when you do the water level procedure, you can move the middle, you can move the back, you can do anything else, but do not move this front. What we're essentially going to be doing is level the aquifer pipe to this front end, which is level to the header. In the next video, we're going to show you how to do the water leveling procedure. All right, see you there.